Welcome to the Thomson Reuters ProView Practice Series. In this video, we'll take a deeper dive into advanced search and navigation capabilities. ProView's search within a title makes it easy to find the content you need. The ability to use multiple search terms, search connectors, and ease of navigation helps you quickly locate relevant content. Let's start with entering a single search term. ProView returns the search results on a panel that can be expanded and collapsed to allow for easy access between the title's content and the search results. The search results are listed in order by which they appear in the title, but you can quickly resort the order by selecting Hit Count. Each block of results shows an aggregated hit count by title section. You can expand the block individually by selecting the arrow next to the hit count, or you can quickly expand all of the result blocks by selecting the Expand All button. This reveals the snippet of relevant text containing your search term. Selecting the snippet will collapse the search results panel and navigate you to that page. In addition to navigating to relevant content from the search results panel, you can incrementally navigate through the search terms by using the hit count arrows located in the lower right corner of ProView. The table of contents also displays the search hit badges and their location throughout the title. ProView offers the ability to search by more than one term. Simply select the Add icon to include another term or phrase to your existing search. ProView searches for your terms that appear within close proximity of one another. Additional search terms can be added or deleted. In addition to easily accommodating phrase searches, ProView supports queries that involve search connectors such as and, or, but not, and numerical connectors. A quick tutorial is available within the search panel. If you frequently run the same searches over and over again, you may want to consider saving the query. ProView makes it easy. Simply select the Save Query button after you've run your query. To access your saved queries, select the My Saved Queries menu near the bottom of the search panel. Selecting a saved query from your list will run a search in the title you're currently in. Because you can create and run a query in any title, your results will vary. ProView offers two settings that slightly modify your search experience. Search within results creates a progressively narrower search on each search field you create. Only the last search term is highlighted. If you'd like to view the Table of Contents panel while you navigate through the search results, turn on Switch to Talk. This concludes ProView's advanced search and navigation capabilities. To continue with the ProView Practice Series, please click on the next video that covers annotation tools and capabilities. Thomson Reuters ProView. Your book's powered up. For more information, visit us at legalsolutions.tr.com/ProView.